Welcome to the world of acrylic pouring, where the magic of art unfolds through the dance of colors and textures. In this mesmerizing art form, the consistency of your acrylic paint is the key to unlocking a universe of possibilities. Picture this: thick paints, a symphony of definition. The viscosity of the paint gives it the power to sculpt, to carve out lines and shapes with a bold and confident stroke. The result: a canvas alive with texture, a story told in distinct and tangible forms. But there's another path to explore. Enter the realm of thin paints, where color blending takes center stage. The fluidity of the paint allows it to flow effortlessly, creating a seamless dance of hues. This is where backgrounds come to life, where dreamy landscapes and ethereal atmospheres emerge from the gentle strokes of a brush. As an artist, finding the right balance becomes your brushstroke of mastery. Experimentation is your guide, and the consistency of your paint is your accomplice in this creative journey. Pouring medium, a trusted ally, can transform the very nature of your paint, adding a touch of alchemy to the mix. But it's not just about the paint. The canvas beneath plays its role, a stage set for your artistic narrative. A well-prepared canvas, primed and ready, enhances the adherence and spread of your colors. And then, there are the Techniquest Flip Cup, the dirty pour, the swipe heel contributing to the symphony of your creation. No rules bind you, it's a canvas of limitless expression. So, whether you choose the bold strokes of definition with thick paints or the graceful dance of blending with thin ones, remember, acrylic pouring is your story, a tale told through the artful marriage of consistency, color, and creativity. Like, follow, and share for more.
I want to thank you very much for being here and hope that you got something out of this. See you next time. Bye for now.